Hello everyone, by the way, this is Mark and welcome back again here on our YouTube channel. So today our topic for this time, I just want to show you our blue polar parrot fish, cichlid fish, and I just want to show you their continuous breeding and of course harvesting. And by the way guys, I just want to thank you once again, especially for subscribers, especially for your feedback on our first upload on the year 2021. I'm just being happy and being so glad because of your feedback and of course of your support. I cannot ask for more, of course. I just want to thank you guys for all of the support that you have given to this channel, and hopefully you'll continue to do that. And to those who does not yet subscribe to this channel, please subscribe it now so that you will get notified whenever we have new uploads. So waiting for, let's go. Actually guys, this is my 2 to 3 weeks old fry, and last week I already separated their parents because I've noticed that the female is already preparing for another drought or another batch of fry. And I'm thankful because after separated them, the day after they already laid another batch of eggs. And of course I'm gonna show you them to you later. And by the way, if you didn't know yet, polar blue parrot cichlids are hybrid fish that is the result of a successful spawn between the convex cichlid and the parrot cichlid. They are very hardy and can withstand a wide range of water parameters. And these fish are slightly aggressive and do well in a species-only tank. However, they can't be kept with fish of similar temperaments. Their diet should consist of a good quality cichlid pellet or flakes. These fish like to dig impressions into the substrate for spawning, so they are best kept in a gravel or sand bottom tank with plenty of racks to hide. But when we talk about grow out, for them to grow faster, we need to transfer them into a bigger tub. Actually, the best for them is to place them in a fish pond to grow 3 to 5 times larger from the tub grow after 3 months. But unfortunately, we don't have fish pond yet, so we will be transferring them into my DIY tub. And as what you can see right now, they are so cute and so adorable. Also, their parents produces albino type of strain. So let's try to pour them out on their new home. Swim free, little fishy! And also, let's try to visit our newly hatched fry. And there you go. This kind of fish, when they started to spawn successfully, they will always do that every after a few weeks. They will continuously breed and it's like insane. To tell you, if you have 3 pairs of breeder, you will get lost because you'll need a lot of tank and space for the future fries. And here we have also fry from Jelly Bean Parrot. So guys, after 2 months, I decided to harvest them because I can't do nothing about it. It's because we really are short in tank space and I need to harvest them or sell them to use this stuff for another grow out batch. So now let's try to capture them, and I'm harvesting them with G-Boy, the goldfish master, but he don't want to show his face on the camera. And here, the first scope. See them? They're so cute, right? As much as I don't want to sell them because of their cuteness, but the time will not permit us. We need to dispatch them for good. How sad. And finally, we have here polar blue parrot and some danios with albino red cross tetras. Speaking of tetras, I will show you also this time our breeder because the females already have swollen bellies and are ready for another draft. And guys, as what you can see at my back, I'm using this tank for albino tetra red cross breeding. So I'm using this as their breeding tank. And also you need to prepare live foods like BBS or Infusoria 1 day before the eggs hatch because red cross tetra are a little bit sensitive when it comes to their food, unlike Danios fish. So you need to prepare live foods for them. You're gonna feed them 1 week to 2 weeks of live foods, and then after that you can now feed them with fish food or fish feeds. So now let's catch our breeder here. So let's go. And here we have 2 preggy females and 1 male. Actually, the ratio would be 2 males per 1 female. But unfortunately, some of them were washed out due to heavy rains. So we don't have any choice here but to breed these 3. So as usual, we need to use plastic breeding net for the eggs to drop at the bottom and will not get eaten by their parents. And once again, tetras fry are not like danios because they are a little bit sensitive when it comes to their food, and you need to prepare BBS or infusoria and feed them during the whole week for them to be alive, but opposite to polar blue parrot because they are one of the easiest cichlid fish to breed, and their fry don't need extra care. Just feed them with any fry food and you're good to go. That's it guys, hopefully this video helps you to breed your own pet fish continuously for extra income or for fun. And of course if you're new here, please consider subscribing to get updated on upcoming videos. Stay safe everyone, to God be the glory, bye bye.